the two end, the one end is come with the, it's tight though, with the brush. I mean, so then just in case you need to using with the bigger pieces of charms, which is the big charms, you can able to seal it without have to using the needle and the precise end.
Oh yeah, and TT remind you, don't forget to show them your nails.
Oh yes. So here is really cool example of my nails, and this nail we remember well last week. I don't know what day we did. We did the whole entire the nails with the crystal placement and absolutely stays. And I works a lot in the warehouse as well, and do my works at home, cleaning, folding clothes, and everything. So this one stay. But this one, when I did, remembers I did live and I put all my precision glues really detailed, beep, 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 all over. And then this one I did it first and I showing you, and it's seal really well, but I didn't do a precision glue gel. So what happened, I noticed that it catching on my hair when I do my shampoo, and it's catch so many times throughout the week because I wash my hair the other day, and every time it's catching in between of my bows, and my hair will pull one of my crystal off. This one, it doesn't do a thing. This one, it doesn't do anything, but I want to leave it there so then I can show, I can be a real testimony. The condensed glue gel is hold all the crystal really great, but because my hair pulled, I have a long hair, and when I shampoo it, I go, my fingers go to between my hair, and it keep catching it, and then I know that it's gonna pull it because I have to get it off. So I using go to my hair and I pull it off, and then that's why today, even like today, I showed Mika to it. So Mika, look at it, how I abuse this one. Well, it's not abuse because it doesn't, it's have all the edges, the gap that I didn't seals in, because I want to leave it here so I can show you. All the big one is still on, but then because the hair will really knock it and pull it so hard out, but then all the little ones that it's really stay on good with the condensed glue gels and with the no wipe top coat. But the big one is great to have the precision. Even the spinning, it stay there, it doesn't do anything. And then the flowers, everything else is stay. But whatever that is was catching on the hair, what is gonna make, just imagine it for yourself or for your clients. They go, oh my god, it's so cute, so gorgeous, but it's getting to my, this one doesn't do it to my hair. It doesn't pull my hairs or stuck in my hair at all, but this one does, because it's some of those edges that is not sealed in. So just for your preference, that's why this baby is coming, it will triple secure, double secure, and triple secure, and we're gonna go to all the edges. This one is catching my hair right here. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of the check, like do a little exam. You feel right here, you can feel it like scratchy. When you do it for yourself or your clients, you can notice that right away that is gonna be scratchy, and this gonna pull your hair. Or if you get stuck in your sweater, the sweater season is gonna get stuck, and it's gonna pull your crystal off from your nails eventually. So I'm gonna seal it on the top of the beads, but not on the top of the crystal. You don't want to destroy all your sparkles, the shine, and the cut of the crystal. And then we keep for 60 seconds, just in case. This one I have to seal a few times because it get a lot of like elements in there. So I make sure that I seal that a couple more times. But each time you seal, you can definitely seal more than you need. I mean, more time as you need. Make sure this flash here for like 30 seconds first, and then you can seal again. So I'm go ahead and doing it around. I'm only checking around the base of the crystal, or base of the crystals, and then you are going to cure. Normally I get both of my hands, I cure, but this time I want to show you how I doing it without showing you in here that I did it this hand all on live, and I didn't seal this one. But they are stay on good, but because the hairs will pull it off a lot after so many wash on my hair. It's great to know. I just want to show you. So this one, but you can't tell it, but it's just nice that it have a triple secure. So this is if you're having your like troubleshoot, if your clients having like that issue, like catching on the hair, even though they love it so much and they keep catching on the hair, this is condensed glue gels, hold it down. The top coat will seal completely, around the base of the crystals, and also is will not, like, when you finish, just no tacky layer. And this is a triple secure, cool, keep all your crystals stay nice in one place. Last set, actually I really like hit my nails more than like it's come, my nails will probably gonna get damaged more than it's just the crystal. So that is the crystal trifecta. They have condensed glue gel, no white top coat, precision glue gel, and then your extra of the crystals mega mix. So this is, you know, I will highly recommend this, because this is going to keep all your crystal and stay in one. And then this one, the ones I do a lot of work. You think that this right hand, but I do a lot of work on my left hand. So here is the final look for this two nails. It's just really cute and simple. I'm gonna wipe off the residues on my crystal first. Just a second, so you can see how cute it is, even though it's obsidian and it's so gorgeous. It feels like it's black and white holidays, you know, theme. I can't wait to see your beautiful creations. And